I don't think I'm alone when I say that I love fall. It's just such a great time of the year, and everything about it is fun to incorporate into cards. Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Keppel. In today's video, I'll be using the Spellbinders Kelly Bangs Autumn Archives collection to create some cards. And the thing I love about this collection is the designs are fun, they feature a lot of fall favorites, and the color combinations in the papers and chipboard stickers and other accents are so fresh. They incorporate those really beautiful, rich browns and oranges and yellows, but they add in a fun, fresh twist that I think you're really gonna like. So let's take a little look at the collection. First up, we have the Autumn Archives 12 by 12 pattern paper. All of this pattern paper can obviously be used for scrapbooking, but it can also be used for card making, and I'll use it in pretty much all my cards today, so you'll get to see a bunch of the patterns in action. Then we have the Autumn Archives Chipboard Alpha stickers and the Autumn Archives Chipboard stickers. And then we have the Autumn Archives cardstock die cuts. As always with Spellbinders die cuts, you get a ton of options. I like to keep them in my medium-sized craft stacks because then I can just open up the lid and look through them and put them out on my work surface and then put them back in the craft stacks when I'm done using them so that they stay together. Then there are a bunch of die sets. This is the Autumn Archives Changing Trees die set, and it comes with 3 different options of trees. There are all layering dies. So you can see you have that background layer, then you have the leaf layer, and then on top of that you can put the tree layer, so it will have the branches. You'll be able to see those on top. So that's how you layer up those dies. Next we have the Autumn Archives Falling Leaves dies. Now these come with several leaf options as well as the veins for the leaves, and then several acorn options as well as caps for the acorns. So everything is really easy to assemble. It's just basically 2 pieces. I do like to add a little bit of ink blending, especially to those acorns, just to add a little bit of interest, just some brown ink on a small blending brush, and I'll do it for the leaves as well. Gives them that look of changing colors from a colorful leaf into a more brown leaf. And you can see that I have the glue there in a shape. That's because there'll be an embossed shape on the leaf itself, which will tell you exactly where to put the vein so that you're not guessing. And it just makes it really easy to put these together as well. So these are great to add to cards and scrapbook pages. And then we have the Autumn Archives Documenting Labels dies. I know a lot of you will think of scrapbooking when you see something like this, but I love to use labels like this on my cards as well. These are also layering dies. They can be layered in a bunch of different ways, and you can use a lot of the Spellbinders cardstock to really coordinate well with the pattern paper. And I'll give you some options in my supply list of colors that I like to use with this collection. Then we have the Autumn Archives Autumn Alpha dies, which can cut out the entire alphabet. And we also have Autumn Sentiments Betterpress plate and die. So I love these 1-pass betterpress sentiments and the 1-pass dies. So I will ink that up with different colors of ink. I use mulberry, and then I'll use black as well, so that I have a couple of different options. And it just makes it so easy that you get 3 sentiments from 1 pass through the betterpress and 1 pass through the die cut machine, and the die lines up really easily. I also like to use those in my glimmer, those betterpress plates, and to create some glimmer sentiments as well. You may have seen me use the Spellbinders white opaque foil before. I think it's great for sentiments, especially on colorful cardstock. Now let's use these supplies to make a few cards. For this first card, I've cut an A2 piece of the pattern, one of the pattern papers. It's a floral. It's so beautiful. And I have 2 pieces of Spellbinders cardstock matted on top of each other. The smallest one is cut with the Perfect Touch rectangles, which I love the edge that it adds to it. So then all I have to do is pop up the leaves in kind of a grid format and place the sentiment down with some liquid adhesive right in the center. Such a quick card once all that die cutting and putting together is done. For the next card, I will also use a different pattern paper. I'll cut that into an A2 size, and then I have a piece of cardstock that I've cut with the Perfect Touch rectangles once again, and then I'm following that up with a piece of pattern paper that's cut with the Perfect Touch rectangles. So definitely use your dies on the pattern paper as well. I think that is a great option to have. I'll use those Changing Trees dies, pop those up, and then add one of the sentiments right on top. Now, all of these sentiments are either betterpressed or foiled, and they are all from this collection as well. They're really, really sweet sentiments. For this next card, I actually have two pieces of cardstock matted on top of each other. There's Waterfall, and then I think it's on top of Cinnamon. And then I've cut another piece of pattern paper into a smaller size to put on top of that. I really loved this pattern paper and I had to use it on a card. It's just got such great combination of colors. I love the addition of pink and aqua into the fall color combination. I just really think it makes it fresh and new and interesting. So I added one of the labels and 3 of the acorns and then one of the sentiments. And I decided to add some Spellbinders Fashion Spruce self-adhesive embellishments. I love these because it's just peel and stick. I love how dimensional they are and the color and the shine as well. They're just easy to add to accent a card. I really enjoy hearing what your thoughts are, so let me know what you think about Autumn Archives in the comments below. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you again soon.